Hey guys, once again, Chad McAllister with Harbin Automotive's Deal of the Day. Today's Deal of the Day involves 40 Nissan Altimas. We've got 2018 Nissan Altima SVs with miles in the 40s. They come with backup cameras, blind spot, lane departure, Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, starting at $12,688. We've also got 2019 Altimas starting at $13,982. Come by and join us. Look at our great inventory. Follow me. Actually, I'll show you some more inventory real quick. Come on. Come on, you're gonna get lost in all this inventory. Over here. Over here. I've got way too many Nissan Altimas. We have to make these things disappear. Come by and see us.